speaking of anonymized selection
Anonymized,
and assignment
okay.
process.
Okay.
Okay. Pending the full automation. May full automation pa pala. So, the BIR shall implement the anonymized selection and assignment process. So, i-reduce daw kasing discretion-related na mga risk. So, paanong procedures nito? So, eto po. The following procedure shall govern the selection and assignment process. So, central generation, approval, dissemination of taxpayer lists will come from the ISG. So, they shall generate the anonymized list. So, from them, so, yung listahan na based dun sa mga criteria na approve, okay, na-generate, ibabato ngayon. Okay? Without disclosure, hindi po provide dito, kaya anonymous, hindi po provide po dito yung name ng taxpayer, yung PIN niya, yung registration details niya, hindi daw i-mention. So, ngayon, itong listahan ay po provide, idadaling kay regional director or the assistant commissioner for Internal Revenue and Large Taxpayer Services. And then from there, magkakaroon ng assignment of revenue officer. So, i-assign yung case dito strictly based on workload balancing and applicable rotation rules. So, yung 3 years. At saka yung kung ilan na yung hawak na account ng mga RO. So,
yung mandatory 30.
Yung
mga ganun,
mandatory 30. Yes po. Yan. So, yun yung magiging mga factor for the assignment.